This 5-minute solution will show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account, follow these simple steps to do it. Open your Insta application, open your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, settings and privacy, account center, tap on personal details, account ownership and control, tap on deactivation or deletion, and to deactivate your Instagram account, select here your Instagram profile, and here select deactivate account. And deactivating your Instagram account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. Now tap on continue, and to confirm, enter your Instagram password, tap on continue, and your Instagram account will be deactivated. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.